Hey guys, what's up?
I fall in love too easily.
Today I am making an apple pie and watching a movie, but mainly making an apple pie. So I thought I would show you guys and we could go through this process together and make some homemade apple pie. Like, this ain't no Marie calendars. This is real. Like, I cut and peeled like 6 apples all on my own. Getting creative. Okay, it's like really dark. I probably should turn on a light. Hey there. Oh, you can't see me. Okay. The other day, I was like, oh my god, some apple pie sounds really good right now. So, I made an apple pie. It says to cut the apples in 1/8, but I don't know what 1/8 is because I don't understand math. So, I'm just cutting them really thin because I feel like that's how it works. Oven's done preheating. Wow. Oh my god, I literally brought my light out here so I could have better lighting and I didn't turn it on. Just girly things. So normally I would go for that Marie calendar stuff, And so my mom went to the grocery store today, and so I kind of expected her to get an apple pie because, I've been mentioning apple pie. And she comes home with like 7 billion apples and I'm like, and so she was like, you're gonna make homemade apple pie, right? And I was like, how do you make homemade apple pie? And then I look up the recipe and it's like, peel 5,000 apples and then, sacrifice a pig. And then put it in the oven and then bam. Ready for this commitment. Now it says to combine the topping ingredients using a fork until completely mixed and crumbly. So now, do I have to explain this? Deal with a drunken sailor. What would you do with a drunken sailor? 1, 2, 3, 4. Who's that knocking at my door? 5, 6, 7, 8. Hurry up and don't be late. 9, 10, 11, 12. Gotta see that I can't tell. Whip your fan. School's out. Ring the bell. 1/8 tablespoon of nutmeg. What the heck is 1/8? Is that 2/4? No. That half of a fourth is 1/8. Oh, so that's about half. All of my videos have been about food lately, or only 2. Not all of them. We're good. I think we're fine. It smells really good. God, I can't wait to get this in my face, but it has to cook for like 45 minutes, and I just really want it in my face. God, oh my god. Is this video gonna freaking suck? Oh my god. Goopy, well blended. Oh, that got some things going on, and I'm really stressing. I think this might be like self-consciously stress baking. I'm not sure. I can't read my own body. But probably. I'm pretty sure this just broke. Because it's, oh, okay, never mind. Never mind. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I'm just gonna estimate that. I don't know when to stop. I feel like I'm at Johnny Carino's and they're like, tell me when to stop pouring the Parmesan, and then I'm like, and I just like sit there for like 5 minutes, and then my mom's like, okay, you can stop, and I'm like, but I didn't want to stop, and then like next thing you know, like the waiter's like a skeleton like pouring the Parmesan, and like, this is how much of this is half a cup? much of a stick of butter is half a cup?
1 stick. It should say it on there.
Well, it says 8 tablespoons equals 1/4 a pound equals half a cup.
Wait, what did it say?
Oh, okay, never mind.
Okay.
Love
See
you.
ya.
Okay, love you, bye.
Love you, bye.
Thanks, Mom. As you can see, I don't perform well in the mathematics field of area of educational learning of numbers. It's not my thing, you know, that's okay. I'm good at other things sometimes. It depends. I don't really think so. It's fine though. I'm fine, so you should be fine. Can this go in the oven? Corning where? Oven, yep. Woo. This butter is frozen solid. Not frozen, but cold, refrigerated, solid. And so I had to start using my hands. And then right when my hands stopped, wait, what? Right whenever my hands were in the dough, like I stick them in, I start mushing the butter, and the camera cuts off again. So sorry for the bad quality now, but it's fine. And like whenever my fingers, they like scrape against the side, and it's really gross, but it's the only way. Oh my god, shoot, my parents are home and I'm filming the video, and I'm really scared because I don't like filming videos in front of people because I'm scared. Oh my god, everything sucks. Oh. Hi, I feel uncomfortable. I'm filming.
What?
I'm filming a video. Hi. I'm also making apple pie, and I hate everything because nothing is working.
Okay, hold on. Just a minute. Okay.
What? You should go for a bike ride. I don't want you in here right now.
No, but right now we gotta figure this is boys.
Mom. 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 Mommy. Mom. 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 Mommy. Mommy. Mom. 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 Mommy. Mommy. Mom. 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 Mom.
Hold on.
I'm making apple pie.
Good.
I've been such a housewife today.
Okay, that's good.
I cleaned the entire house.
Thank you.
And now I'm making homemade apple pie.
Are you making cookies too?
Now, why would I make cookies too?
What did she say?
I was listening to Spotify today. Are you listening?
Yeah.
And I was like on my I don't know, old playlist. And guess what songs came in a row on, wait, what? They came on right next to each other. The song's Alone by Heart, it came on first. And then immediately after, All by Myself came on. And so I was like, wow, even Spotify knows that I'm lonely. First time I was, wait, what's that song? I was terrified,
Petrified.
petrified.
Kathleen, I could never live by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how to do me wrong.
I thought it would be scarier for y'all to be in here, but now it's not, and I'm kind of fine. But y'all can still ride a bike, because I'll, yeah. Lost in my head. Oh dang, look at that goo. Look at those bubbles. Wow. Wow. Hot.
But it's his size and his coordination that intimidate. He has a wingspan.
I make really good pie. I changed rooms. If we're gonna be a food critic here, I would say that the apples were kind of thin. They kind of taste like noodles, which is really weird to imagine. Like noodle pie. I'm gonna edit this video and another video and then eat some pie. So, bye. I'm gonna eat some pie, so bye, bye, bye.